Nestled in the heart of Santa Monica's most exclusive coastal enclave, this breathtaking $10,750 home stands as a flawless embodiment of California's modern luxury lifestyle, where architectural brilliance, natural beauty, and effortless comfort merge into one mesmerizing experience. The moment you step through its custom glass pivot door, the feeling is immediate. Openness, light, and a sense of calm flow through every corner, crafted perfectly to reflect the balance between oceanfront serenity and metropolitan sophistication. Spanning over 70 square feet, this residence is not just a home, it's a statement of refined living, blending modern minimalism with warm organic textures that make every space feel both elegant and deeply inviting. As sunlight pours through floor-to-ceiling windows, the entire living space glows in golden hues, framing panoramic views that stretch from the Pacific Ocean to the distant Santa Monica Mountains. An ever-changing canvas that feels alive from dawn to dusk. The open concept layout allows each room to interact harmoniously. The living area, adorned with natural stone accents and oak flooring, seamlessly extends toward an expansive terrace through disappearing glass walls, blurring the lines between interior and exterior living. The atmosphere is enhanced by the sound of distant waves and the fresh ocean breeze that drifts through the space, reminding you constantly of the home's privileged position above one of the most desirable coastlines in the world. The kitchen, a masterpiece of both design and functionality, embodies the soul of this home's elegance. Its minimalist aesthetic features custom cabinetry, sculpted marble countertops, and a central island that becomes both a culinary workspace and a social hub. The open layout connects the kitchen effortlessly with the dining and lounge areas, where soft lighting, plush textures, and an understated color palette create an environment meant for both entertaining and tranquility. Every element here, from the sleek built-in appliances to the handcrafted finishes, exudes precision and luxury without ever feeling ostentatious. This is modern elegance redefined, thoughtful, balanced, and undeniably sophisticated. Adjacent to this central living area lies a private office space with views that inspire creativity, perfect for those who wish to work surrounded by natural beauty. The integration of smart home technology ensures that every function, lighting, climate, security, and sound, can be intuitively controlled, offering complete convenience without compromising the home's serene atmosphere. The residence unfolds like a story of discovery, with each level revealing a new chapter of comfort and refinement. The primary suite occupies a private upper wing, designed to be a sanctuary of peace and exclusivity. Wrapped in glass walls that frame the ocean horizon, it opens onto a private terrace where mornings begin, with the sight of waves shimmering in the sunlight, and evenings end with sunsets, painting the sky in soft pastels. The bedroom's warmth comes from the harmony of natural textures, a blend of wood, linen, and stone, creating a deeply restful aesthetic. A discreetly positioned fireplace adds a gentle glow on cooler nights, while the adjoining spa-like bathroom transforms routine into ritual, with its freestanding soaking tub facing the ocean and a rain shower that feels suspended in air. Polished stone, ambient lighting, and organic materials make it a space for pure rejuvenation. A spacious walk-in closet, tailored with boutique-level precision, completes the suite, functional yet lavish in every sense. Beyond the primary suite, 3 additional bedrooms each offer en-suite privacy, expansive views, and a unique atmosphere that connects the indoors with the coastal environment. One room overlooks the mountains, bathed in golden afternoon light, while another faces the ocean, offering nightly symphonies of waves breaking against the shore. Each space is thoughtfully designed for comfort and aesthetic harmony, ensuring every guest experiences the same sense of calm and sophistication that defines the home as a whole. The lower level introduces a new dimension of luxury, a private entertainment zone featuring a custom home theater with acoustic paneling, a temperature-controlled wine cellar, and a fitness area that opens onto a secluded courtyard framed by lush greenery. This balance between indulgence and wellness exemplifies the spirit of Santa Monica living. Dynamic yet deeply relaxing, indulgent yet mindful. Step outside, and the true magic of this property unfolds. The backyard terrace, a masterpiece of landscape design, extends like an infinity toward the Pacific. The pool shimmers under the California sun, perfectly aligned to capture the reflective beauty of the sky and sea. An outdoor lounge area with a fire pit and covered dining space makes this home ideal for intimate gatherings or grand celebra. Sheens. The natural materials, smooth limestone, dark timber, and native plants, create a seamless connection with the coastal environment, allowing the architecture to complement rather than compete with the breathtaking scenery. Every angle of this outdoor oasis has been designed to celebrate the view. Ocean to the west, mountains to the north, a 360-degree experience of California's most iconic landscapes. By night, the home transforms into a tranquil haven bathed in soft, ambient lighting that accentuates its sculptural design. The ocean glows faintly in the distance under the moonlight, while the interior radiates warmth and quiet sophistication. Here, luxury isn't about excess. It's about experience, atmosphere, and the art of living beautifully. Whether hosting a sunset gathering or enjoying solitude on the terrace with only the sound of the waves, this Santa Monica masterpiece captures the essence of what high-end coastal living truly means. It's more than a home, it's an experience. A lifestyle built on elegance, serenity, and an unbroken connection to nature's beauty. The design philosophy of this residence speaks to those who value space as an expression of self, who see art not only on the walls but in the architecture that surrounds them. Every line, every curve, every finish tells a story of intentional design where simplicity meets sophistication. The house feels alive in its relationship with light, changing its character with each passing hour. Morning brings clarity, noon fills it with brilliance, and evening wraps it in golden calm. The seamless flow of energy from room to room creates an emotional rhythm that enhances daily life. A rare quality in modern construction, this home stands as a quiet declaration of what happens when architecture embraces its environment rather than overpowering it. For those seeking the ultimate expression of modern luxury living, this Santa Monica residence represents perfection realized. With its commanding views, thoughtful design, and understated grandeur, it captures the heart of California's coastal dream. It offers both privacy and proximity. Minutes from Santa Monica's lively downtown, yet worlds away in its peaceful elevation above the ocean. A sanctuary where the boundaries between sky, land, and sea dissolve into one seamless experience. This $10,750 home is more than a property. It's a piece of art that reflects a life lived beautifully.